Hello everybody. Welcome back to part 3 Taiwan. I'm Adrian and I'm showing you around Taiwan. Where are we today? Today we are at GuiShan, which is in Old ZuoYing. This part of Kaohsiung used to be a walled castle. It was built in 1722 and they are restoring the old walls. Let's go take a look. Such a beautiful day. Hurricane Makala, I think I'm pronouncing that right, just passed by. So now we're getting a lot of wind and the stray tail end clouds. Quite something to see. Wow. All these birds up here are pretty happy. They just mowed the grass. Buffet! Those trees there are GuiShan. GuiShan means Turtle Mountain. If you look at it right, it looks like a turtle laying down and drinking. Its head is over by Lotus Pond. Over here, you can see more of the restoration work they're doing on the walls. This is the FongYing, or East Gate, for Old FongShan. Quite a big project. They want to restore all of the walls all the way around. The walls were taken down or removed during the Japanese occupation between 1895 and 1945. Now, only ZuoYing and FongShan have remaining walls, and they are trying to preserve them. Here's the Old FongShan Visitor Center, where you can see dioramas and more history and information about Old FongShan. Summertime in Taiwan. Hear a lot of cicadas. Can be a lot of fun in some places. With a lot of trees, you'll hear them going, and they'll quiet down, and then one will start, and it sounds like a big wave coming overhead. A lot of fun to listen to in summertime. So this old city area, FongShan, had 3 lives, basically. From founding in 1722 until the Japanese occupation, it was the main city of the area. After the Japanese occupation began, it became a military base. When the Kuomintang arrived, this being a military installation, they took it over, and it stayed military until 1990. In 1990, it became a park, which is what it is today. It still has many of the old military installation parts still visible. Here's one of the old military areas that you can see. into the light of day. Now we're... here ends today's journey. Thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. See you in the next one.